Good morning, everyone. Ẹ káàbọ̀, and welcome to Learn Yoruba with me. So today we will be looking at episode 12, directions, and how to say them in Yoruba. First, we have lábẹ́, under, lábẹ́. Second, we have lórí, on top, lórí. Then we have láàrin, in between or middle of, láàrin. Next, we have lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́, beside, lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́. Then we have níwájú, in front of, níwájú. Then we have lẹ́yìn, behind, lẹ́yìn. Then we have nínú, inside, nínú, inside. Now we have jìnnà sí, far from, jìnnà sí. And last we have súnmọ́, near, súnmọ́, near. So let's practice. Apple yìí wà lábẹ́ tábìlì. This apple is under the table. Practice making your own sentences using the words we learned in this video. So check out more videos in the Learn Yoruba with Me playlist. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment below for more videos just like this. Ó dàbọ̀, goodbye, and have a great rest of the day today. Thank you.